Hey, good morning from Street Metal Concepts. I'm hanging out here. We're going to do a garage update here. I'm going to go ahead and turn the camera around, and I'm sitting here. Hey, Dom, how are you, buddy?
Doing all right. How are you?
Pretty good. What is your project for today, sir? I see you're in the Hot Wheels tribute truck here.
Getting ready to mount harnesses in here. The harnesses, put in some bulkheads.
Right.
You got to mount them to the floor and mount the ECU and the transmission harness.
So we're into the process of doing the electrical, the nervous system of this truck right now, right?
Yeah, basically.
Yep. Yep.
We kind of had it running already, but it was not like fully
Integrated into all the
everything.
right. Yeah. So
now we're just finalizing everything to make sure it's working how it's going to be working when it's going down the road and everything. So it's just lots of finalizing.
awesome. So you look like you got your tests
Yes.
ahead of you. Thanks, Dom.
Yep.
Appreciate it. Let's go over here and talk to Isiah. Hey, Isiah, how are you doing, buddy?
Planning out the bead rolls for the floor pan on
The bead rolls, you just said? Yeah. Yeah.
So
Where are you putting that?
this is the trunk floor.
Yeah. Well, show me where you're putting it. Let's go look. Take just a second.
I'll bring it. We'll go set it on there.
All right. He's going to go set it down in the. He's been working on this 1954 Chevy Bel Air remodel, resto mod that we're doing, and
So all this corresponds with the bracing that I made.
all the outlines.
Yeah. So I'm making the bead rolls are going to go in between where those spaces are essentially.
Wow.
This is like almost like a little C channel
Uh-huh.
to help strengthen the floor.
Look at that. Wow. This is what you were cleaning on yesterday and primering and
Yeah.
everything yesterday,
So before
right?
we weld this to that, I had
Right.
to coat it so it doesn't rust in between.
You've done all this work in here, haven't you?
I made
Wow.
all of this.
Rebuilt pretty much actually the whole rear end of this, right?
Yeah, the whole frame underneath was a kit we welded together.
Wow.
Made all of these wheel wells, the braces, this part, these are access holes for the shock mounts, so I
Right.
can remove.
And then
them.
you also did this stuff around here on the wheels and whatnot too, right? On all the fabrication work underneath here for all
Yeah.
the C notch and everything that's
Uh-huh.
on there. That's all your
I did this
fabrication work,
C-notch.
Yep.
It was a kit, but I welded it together.
right? And
Um,
now take me through what you've done through to the front here.
So, if you look on the inside,
Uh-huh.
these are pockets where the airbags are gonna mount. There's gonna be access panels to
Right.
bolt them in. Did the inside of the dog leg, the transmission mount. We had to redo it, so the trans.
But you've also been doing stuff like this, all these
Yeah.
reworks and stuff
This was
inside
all
these door
rusted out,
jams. Yeah,
So I remade.
right.
that whole
All this
corner.
little intricate work you're doing, right?
The part I'm most proud of is that dashboard.
The bottom part there, where all
Yeah, so this takes, it's called Restomod Air.
the
Those little pockets take vents.
where the vents are
The
going to
center
be.
portion
Right.
is
Wow.
where the controls go. I plugged all of the holes in it. All that's custom made. All that bare metal part is custom made.
Floorboard too. Look at that.
Yep, I redid some of the floors.
Wow.
On the firewall is custom made.
Right.
I put some bracing in there. That's what the Restomod Air is mounted to.
Wow, that's cool,
From
man.
the outside, you can see. I did.
Oh yeah, look at all the
Firewall.
bead work you've done in here.
Yep, we mounted a brake booster.
Right.
These pockets are custom.
And of course the whole front here is custom too, right? You've redone all the radiator supports and
That's
everything.
Shaun.
That's what Shaun did over there. There's another fabricator on this car. You've been doing a lot here too. I've seen you doing a lot of grinding, a lot of measuring, and a lot of figuring on the suspension for the front of it, right?
Yeah, and a lot of it's also the hood.
Right.
They don't really make a kit for this car, so it's adapting a kit, and then you get into it and you find out, okay, well this bracket's kind of chintzy,
Yeah.
so I could make this nicer than it is.
Right.
So I'll make a bigger bracket that's thicker, stronger.
Built-in house.
And
No,
that
it's
way,
right.
I mean,
Yeah.
you know, because I want form and function. So you know, I want you to be able to slam your hood.
Sure.
I want you to be able to let it drop and
Right.
not worry about it breaking.
Right. Yeah. You guys are doing a fabulous job. I can't wait to see this thing fixed. Thank you, Isaiah. Thank you, Shaun. Appreciate it. Awesome.
man.
Thanks.
Have a good
Hey,
day, bud.
what? This is Drive-In Garage with Alan. Like and subscribe, right? Are you subscribed? Are you subscribed?
Yeah, I was just about to say that.
Thank you. Well, say it. Go ahead.
This is Driving Garage with Alan. Like and subscribe.
Awesome. Thank you.
That guy's in that place on Instagram.